So when it comes to bounds, a lot of people are not happy with this one being 4.5. So let's read the question again. 4 grams measured to nearest gram. So the lower bound has to be 3.5, because think about it, if we said this is 3.4, then obviously it rounds down to 3, 3.49 rounds down to 3, and then we can keep going like that. So it's just going to round down. So yeah, 3.5 is going to round up to 4. But people don't like this one. So think about this. If we said 4.4, now 4.4 is going to round down to 4, isn't it? But then we can also say, well, what's the highest number we can think of, which is also going to round down to 4, to make this the highest number we can think of. So this number would be 4.49, so let's write that in, so 4.49. Okay, let's add another 9, that's a high number. Add another 9, that's a high number. If we keep adding 9s, eventually what this number becomes is 4.4, then 9 recurring. Okay, but then what we can say is this number is equal to 4.5. And I'm just going to show you a quick example of why that works. Okay, so what we can say is, let's say for example we've got 1/3. So everybody knows that 1/3, sorry, pen's going a bit funny. Everybody knows that 1/3 is equal to 0.3 recurring. Now, if I was to go up and call this 0.6 recurring, are we happy that this is now 2/3? If we keep going, continue the pattern, let's make this 0.9 recurring. So that makes this 3/3. Now, we know that 3/3 is a whole, so that's 1. So that means that 1 is also equal to 0.9 recurring. So this 0.9 recurring means we can round naturally up to the next item. So going back to what we just said before, is that if we said, oh, I can't remember the numbers, was it 4.5? So yeah, if we got 4.49 and we just keep going like this, we can say that this is 4.49 recurring like this, and then that naturally just rounds to 4.5. So this and this is the same number, so hopefully that explains why this would be the upper bound.